When first developed in 1873, Garfield, New Jersey, then known as East Passaic, was a small borough. Garfield established itself as an industrial and manufacturing city with a host of machining and tooling operations. It was also home to a former lock manufacturer, made popular by combination locks used in traditional briefcases and padlocks. Operations had utilized chlorinated solvents as degreasing agents in the lock manufacturing process prior to shuttering operations. Over time, the solvents seeped through the wooden manufacturing floor to impact soil and groundwater. The contamination extended through the silty sand to sandy clay, unconsolidated soils, and into the shale aquifer indigenous to the Passaic region. Through the years, remedial activities have included soil removal and a subslab depressurization system installed to mitigate vapor intrusion concerns. In 2014, an ISCO approach was taken, using Regenesis persulfox catalyzed sodium persulfate to treat the affected groundwater as a step toward fully remediating the site for future redevelopment. The application of the amendment was successful in knocking down contaminants to reach below imminent environmental concern conditions. The client, a real estate developer intent on completing a pending real estate transaction, is focused on eliminating liability and risk by addressing the levels of contaminants quickly and effectively. In addition to the persulfox amendment, 2 down-gradient plume stop liquid-activated carbon barriers were installed to manage CVOC migration. HRC, a soluble electron donor, was also installed to promote biodegradation within the plume stop barriers. The barriers are designed to protect a nearby culverted stream and down-gradient residential community. The site design provided by Regenesis includes a subsequent plume stop grid injection in the former hotspot area following the persulfox application to effectively manage mass flux toward the down-gradient treatment barriers. Since the area was well established, with existing buildings surrounding the impacted areas and a sewer utility present under the active alley, a strategic design was required to effectively mitigate the contaminated area with little to no disruption to ongoing businesses and tractor-trailer deliveries.
I tend to specialize in highly complex remediation projects, particularly chlorinated solvents. It was the plume stop product that's available exclusively through Regenesis that was the best fit for this particular project. The injection team is far better than most of the other teams I've used, using drillers exclusively, bringing in Regenesis to run the trailers and run the pumps. It allowed us to at least double production, being able to inject 3-4 points at a time versus 1 or 2. This is the second project that I've done with Regenesis on this site. I had a very positive experience the first time doing a persulfate injection, so it was an easy choice to come back and get Regenesis involvement in this project again and see what their ideas and what products they felt were the best fit for this particular project.
The effects of the combined amendment and installation of the 2 barriers were an effective solution to help reach the client's goals and polish off the site.
We looked at several different remediation technologies, and we felt, due to the site limitations, the timetable required, and cost, that the plume stop was the best fit.